You should say.
It is positive. I don't know what you have recorded, but it's
On
fine.
Saturdays, Sundays, I want cafeteria.
Fine.
Then let's terminate her. Is it okay?
Not sure. Yes.
This Tech Mahindra has a peacock, wonderful peacock, and we have a garden over here. We can sleep. We can
Sleep. Sleep.
Yeah, we can roll. We can
roll.
Where you will roll?
This tree called Ashta tree.
Oh my god.
Entry?
Ashta tree. If you pray below this, nothing you get.
Extraordinary has been done.
Yes. This is shoe.
Oh,
That is.
that is fine.
This is pipe. We have a wonderful speed up brake. It helps to avoid accidents.
Talk in Kannada.
ಇದು ಇದು ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
ಯಾವ ಶಾಲೆ?
ಶಾಲೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್
ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಟೆಕ್ ಮಹೀಂದ್ರ ಒಳಗೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಹೌದು. ಇದು
ಜನರೇ,
ರೇರ್
ಈ ಟೆಕ್ ಮಹೀಂದ್ರ ಅಂದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾನಿಪ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾನಿಪ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟರು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿ ಅಣ್ಣ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿ ಅಣ್ಣ. ಏನು ಒಂದೊಂದು ವಿಚಾರಕ್ಕೂ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಇದು ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಫೌಂಟೇನ್ ಅಂತ.
ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದು.
Yes, you can focus on frog, not on praise.
Emotional, damn it.
ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ.
ಉಶಿಶ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು.
Today we are going to roast this and have this for the lunch.
Man versus wild.
Yes. And we have
Hello, who are you? I am
Yes,
taking my video.
We are
ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡ shit. But we are coming from
praise,
Tech
praise,
Mahindra Media.
praise. Use this. I am also Tech Mahindra.
Yes.
ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟೆಕ್ ಮಹೇಂದ್ರ.
Big from Tech
She is
Mahindra
Tech
Plus.
Press.
Yes. What do you think about Tech Mahindra?
I don't know. I have joined just now.
Tell your suggestion for Tech Mahindra. What all we need to improvise?
On Saturdays, Sundays, I want cafeteria.
Cafeteria. You want cafeteria?
It is there only. What you're
See the media.
the cafeteria should be open on Saturdays and
Okay.
Sundays.
But you need a food. Then you're a foodie here, right?
I'm a foodie. You can see my size and tell.
No.
We don't judge people.
How's the training going
We
on?
didn't ask that
I
first of
don't know.
all.
That's confidential. We cannot ask.
Confident. Oh, you're working for confidential.
Yes, confidential.
Okay. Thank you, Banapi. Thank you.
Hi.
Yes, Anupam.
Hey, don't put in Facebook and all, men.
Congrats, Anupam.
This is just for fun.
Thank you.
You're, yes, you're a Tech Mahindra, part of Tech Mahindra.
Thank
How was
you.
your interview in the Tech Mahindra?
Interview was
It's
fine
very
enough.
clear.
I
clear.
liked
Camera
it.
is
Yeah, the process was seamless. I did not
Shameless.
have
Shameless.
Oh, seamless. Okay.
any- It was seamless.
Okay.
Yeah.
They are
was
thinking.
fine.
They are
Okay, how
thinking
was the
that you are
process
taking
going on?
clearly.
Process
Do you
is
enjoy this Tech Mahindra?
Yeah, I enjoy.
How was your colleague?
Colleagues are good.
Okay.
Everybody is seeing that you
Colleagues
are
are good.
taking
Just if
really
Banapriya
well.
does not interrupt me while I'm speaking,
Oh,
then I'm
then
fine.
she's the biggest Messi you're saying.
No, I'm not saying that. Just if I'm speaking to someone, she should not interrupt. That's it.
Okay.
Otherwise, fine.
Then let's terminate her. Is it okay?
Fine.
Okay, thank you.
Don't put
Who
me on
work in
trouble. What is this? What's going on?
Who work on Tech Mahindra?
Do it now. And please, front camera. Praise is terminated from Tech Mahindra.
Why?
Congratulations.
Congratulations, brother.
All
Thank
the
you.
best.
I
for
got
future
freedom.
ventures.
Oh Lord. Mahindra is wonderful company. You can explore new things. You can have wonderful knowledge.
And now you can rest in peace.
Yes, wait, just a minute. Please, did you explore the sports area here?
Yes, absolutely. Whenever I go to the sports area, I can't give key to the sports room.
Why? What are you gonna do in sports room? Tell me.
ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ಲೇ.
ಕನ್ನಡವೇ ಸತ್ಯ, ಕನ್ನಡವೇ ನಿತ್ಯ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಾತು ನನ್ನ ಚಪ್ಪಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಟಿದೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು,
ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರ್ಸ್.
ಬಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
Okay, stop. We'll go for tea and come. Reciprocate what he said.
If it is positive, I don't know what you've recorded, but it's fine.
I'm just recording the campus.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ರಾ.
But it was a positive rating, okay? But he is telling that
You should be rich feel. Tech Mahindra.
inner, it will not be open now. It will be open at 11 o'clock. Hey, they are doing gym. Let's go. Wow.
It is not open for
See,
us
it
now.
is
You said
there.
by 11, right?
No, clubhouse is for indoor games. Let's go. Come. Let's do one.
This is today's videos. Idagitte ಇವತ್ತಿನ video. This is how I spend my time in the office. It is just a small office tour, a day of office tour in Tech Mahindra. ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ಸು, ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ, ಕಲೀಗ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲವ್ ಯು ಆಲ್. ಸಿ ಯು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗುವ. ಬಾಯ್.